Welcome back once again to Crypto Educator, guys. How you all doing? So in the previous videos we were talking about how Bitcoin is grinding and residing against this entire support trend line and getting rejected by the 55 symbol on the 4-hour time frame itself, and the roadmap as well, which was set in 2-3 days ago, is kind of playing out, guys. So the thing is that the first short-term target is met, right? We are at the $29,000 regions. The second short-term target is going to be at $28,500, guys. The thing is that the volatility is not that much if you talk about the small time frames, which is why the price action targets is not going to be that exuberant, that crazy. But for this entire run to the downside, which has been initiated by Bitcoin, the ultimate target is going to be at your $27,000, guys. I do believe that that area is going to be coinciding, that simple price action zone is going to be coinciding with the golden pocket out of that entire bull market structure that we were talking on the previous videos. So that is going to be the area of interest, guys. And essentially, if you did jump into a short position, all the risk management is going to be below the rejection, the recent rejection that came in from the 55 simple moving average, which is going to be your $30,000 regions flat, guys. Now if you see a 4-hour candle starting to trend above 30k once again, that would mean that the reversal is going to be coming into fruition, guys. The small time frame reversals could be coming into fruition, and if we start trending above the 55 simple, I would expect the moving average to curl up like this and the price action to simply trend against this entire moving average as well to the upside. That would lead the price action all the way towards $32,000 regions flat, guys. But the thing, however, is that it's quite clear that we have kind of initiated this leg to the downside. So the ultimate resolution is going to be coming at 27, guys. I'm going to be preferring the bearish leg to the downside right here. And for my personal trading, I'm going to be short on Bitcoin all the way towards your $27,500 regions at first, guys. Now, essentially, I mean, in the small time frames, my short position, which was running from this rejection right here, I'm going to be taking out 1/3 of my short position literally at this price point right here. Not going to be really concerned about what Bitcoin does in the bigger picture as well right here. But for my personal trading, the first target is met. The second target, however, is most likely going to be coming before this daily candle closes, and the ultimate resolution is going to be at $27,000 flat, guys. Okay, now I think the daily picture is not that different, honestly. The daily time frame is not looking that different, and the price action is simply doing the same old boring shit, guys. As you can see that it's not that nice. The price action is not strengthful. The only reason why you can confidently take bearish trades in the market is because the RSI is strongly trending below this entire exponential moving average, with your reads being below 40, guys. Way the fuck below 40 reads on RSI itself, which is why the bearish momentum is going to be looking strong in the small time frames as well, if you talk about hourly or maybe less than that as well. All the scalp trades, guys, look, if you are trading to the upside in these kind of landscapes, remember, most of the upside trades are going to be your scalp trades, whereas if you are going to be jumping into a short position, that could be converted into a swing trade as well, right? Now, honestly, guys, the thing is that I was kind of scrolling through Twitter, and I can see that a lot of people have started posting symmetrical triangle squeeze, which I don't think is going to be working out like a symmetrical triangle breakdown. Although I'm not going to deny that the breakdown targets is kind of aligning with your $27,000 regions right here, which is going to be, well, the key area of interest in the small to mid time frames altogether, guys. Okay, now for the last thing right here, let's put on the VPVR indicator and I'll see if we have any volume nodes. Absolutely nothing down here, guys. Absolutely nothing. In the small time frames, you can see that there's a huge volume node at 30k, which calls for this entire region being a massive resistance in the small time frames. And if you're able to reclaim 30,000 on the 4-hour closing and an opening basis alongside the 55 simple moving average, that could potentially mean that yes, we're going to be going ahead and we're going to be retesting the $32,000 flat to the upside. Until then, this is your major resistance. This is your major support, guys. However, if you start trending below 27k on a daily basis, or let's just say on a semi-weekly basis like the 3-day time frame, then you can talk about your continuation leg going below 25,000, maybe beyond that as well, guys. Until then, let's kind of stick to the ranges and let's kind of capitalize on 3 to 4% moves to the upside or the downside. Okay, guys, with that said, I hope it was helpful for the day. I'm going to be catching all of you pretty soon. Bye for now.